Most people trying to get Stripe approved in Saudi Arabia make one massive mistake. They rush to create an account without understanding how Stripe verification and regional business compliance actually work. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many entrepreneurs in Saudi Arabia successfully use Stripe legally, but the setup process depends heavily on your business structure and country support. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is using fake information, borrowed documents, or risky shortcuts from random online forums. That can permanently damage your approval chances. In this video, I'll explain the realistic and legal ways entrepreneurs in Saudi Arabia approach Stripe access in 2026, including business setup, verification requirements, and alternative options if Stripe approval becomes difficult. And trust me, one missing detail on your website can delay everything. Let's start right away. First, understand this clearly. Stripe availability and support can vary depending on your region, business structure, and the specific services you want to use. This is where most people fail. They assume opening an account is enough. It's not. Stripe reviews your company's setup, website, financial details, and compliance information very carefully. For example, Alex runs a digital marketing business from Saudi Arabia and realized early that professional documentation mattered more than quick shortcuts. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many entrepreneurs use legally registered businesses in Stripe-supported jurisdictions like the UAE, the United States, or the United Kingdom. That's one of the most common legitimate approaches for international online businesses. But here's the problem. Opening a company alone does not guarantee approval. You still need matching financial accounts, proper verification documents, and a trustworthy business presence. In a minute, I'll explain the exact website mistakes that trigger reviews. Now let's talk about business setup. For many online entrepreneurs, a UAE company has become a popular option because it supports international business operations and global payment systems more smoothly. Others choose a US LLC for online services, SaaS businesses, or e-commerce brands. Now here's where it gets really important. Your website matters more than most people realize. Stripe typically checks whether your business looks real, transparent, and compliant. That means your site should clearly explain your products or services, include contact information, refund policies, terms of service, and accurate business details. For example, Jake applied with an unfinished e-commerce website and faced delays during the review process. This is where most people completely fail. They focus only on the company registration and ignore the actual business presentation. Another major factor is consistency. Your company documents, website details, business activity, and financial account information should all match perfectly. If your company says, software consulting, but your website sells unrelated products, that creates compliance risks. Now here's the most important part. There is no magic loophole. The safest and smartest strategy is building a legitimate business structure that complies with platform rules. That means avoiding fake addresses, fake IDs, or unsupported industries. And here's something many entrepreneurs discover later. Sometimes regional alternatives work better depending on your market. Platforms like PayTabs, Hyperpay, Moyasar, or other regional payment providers may offer smoother onboarding for businesses operating in Saudi Arabia. So to recap, the realistic approach is simple. Use a properly registered business structure, prepare accurate documents, build a professional website, make sure all information matches, and stay fully compliant during verification. That's how many entrepreneurs successfully access Stripe-related payment solutions in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which payment setup you're considering for your business. And if you want more online business and payment gateway guides, check out the next video on your screen.